how you doing?
Good.
What's happening today, brother?
Wait to get up there so we see how it is.
You gonna go jump out of an airplane?
Yeah.
Is this gonna be your first time?
Yes, it is.
Sweet, man. Who do you got out here with you?
My daughter and my son-in-law.
Hey, guys. You jumping out of an airplane today?
And then LaShawn.
First time? Awesome, guys. Is there any special reason for us jumping today?
My birthday.
Oh, happy birthday,
And I
man.
always wanted to do it.
Nice. Check it off the bucket list.
Yeah.
Fantastic. It's a great way to celebrate.
I know, right?
Well, man, we're going to be getting in that plane and flying all the way up to 13,500 feet.
Okay.
Jumping out and falling back down at the earth at over 120 miles an hour.
Not 200?
Not 200. Not today. You ready to go have some fun?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Happy birthday, man. Let's
Thank
go
you.
do it.
Appreciate it.
Sky.
Welcome back, Dexter. You're free to stand up, brother.
Damn, I love that shit.
Tell me, man. What
I
was
love
your
it.
mind when you first jumped out of that plane?
First time?
Yep.
Yeah, it feels good.
Feels good, right?
Hell yeah.
Nice and
Feel
fast.
real good.
You think you'll ever do it again?
Oh yeah, most
Nice.
definitely.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate
It's a
it.
great way to spend your birthday.
Yeah,
We hope to see you again at Skydive DeLand.
you will.